How to invest with Edward Jones. Follow these instructions. Open an Edward Jones account online or in branch to start your investment journey with guided support and trusted resources. Meet with a financial advisor to outline your personal goals, current finances, and future plans for wealth building and security. Work with your advisor to define clear financial goals like retirement, home buying, education, or income generation. Develop a custom investment strategy based on your time frame, risk comfort, and long-term financial objectives. Select the right mix of investments including mutual funds, ETFs, stocks, and bonds suited to your personalized plan. Track your portfolio online or with the app, meet regularly with your advisor, and adjust strategy when life changes. Reinvest dividends and earnings to build compound growth, and stay on course toward your financial goals. Thank you for watching.